So hi everyone, my name is Karan and you are watching English with Karan YouTube channel. So in this video I want to talk to you that why mobile addiction is becomes very dangerous. So you know that nowadays mobile, everyone has a mobile, everyone has a lot of the mobiles like Samsung, Realme, lot of the categories of the mobiles like smartphone. So you know that now today's this phones becomes a very some people's for some people's where this is a very like a boon, like this is a vardhan, but some people's this is a becomes a course like a very dangerous. Nowadays this mobiles become is the dangerous some people's, but some students and some people's this mobile, this tool, he is used very useful. You know that like me, I'm used very well to we record my videos in the front of the camera. So this is a good thing that I get an opportunity to speak English language in the front of the camera. But I you know that I am using that mobile, I'm using mobile a very good way, not a very bad way. I'm using mobile very best way to create a videos and social medias. I know that this is a good thing, but still I don't upload the videos and daily watch lot of the videos, lot of the uncivilized videos or rough videos, which is not good for me. So this is a bad thing, this is a bad manner that I don't use better and I don't use good way to social medias and internet. But now I am currently record the videos. So this is a good thing that I am using mobile very good way. So this is a good thing that you can also do to this. So you know that now today's most of the peoples in the and most of the students in the social medias active, very active, and Instagram, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and lot of the games, Free Fire, PUBG. So this is a, you know that this is a passing of the time. The world is a, it means the lives is get you one time, the life will never come again. Your one day is your life, so you can easily acquire a lot of the knowledge about the life. You know that mobile addiction today is a today's become a very big incident and big very lostful. It means this is a very endless problems. It means everyone student has a mobile. So you can, so who can use the mobiles a good way and and bad way. And he's a student like who is student use the mobile good way, then he'll get a success. But otherwise anyone persons, anyone student not use this mobile good way. So this is a become a very dangerous, sometimes students due to lot of the bad ways and go to the bad ways and due to strange doing, you know that. So this is a kind of the things a student can do. So you can, you know that I know that you are easily use this mobile. It means your parents get you this mobile. So this is a good thing that your parents in the lockdown get you mobile, and and it means got the mobile and got a mobile. So this is a good thing. But this is a your thing that and this is your mind that you should good way, you should use this mobile good way. So this is a your your behavior and your opportunity to use this mobile very good way, not a bad way. Most of the students, girls students, boy students, now today use this mobile only on entertainment, not knowledge. But some peoples and some students use this mobile online learning, ebooks, how to become a millionaire, billionaire. So this is kind of the things you can do. But you can't do thing this thing that don't watch the 18 plus videos, like you know that most of the persons will watch the 18 plus videos, in the Instagram reels, very short dressed the girls wear, and lot of the, you know that you easily know about this. So this kind of the things you never do and shouldn't do to this thing. So this thing is not very good, and only on the your valuable time you have, you lost your times, valuable times, which time you can study is very better and improve your communication skills, your personality development. But besides of this, you are doing to lot of the rude peoples, rough peoples, uncivilized peoples to work, and only on scroll the reels. It means you are not become a creator. You know that creator's life is a very good today's. Anyone persons do to job, go to the job, who his person is not happy to go to the job. But in the my perspective that this time youtubers are very good that promote the youtube, how to create a videos, and lot of the uh, youtube videos, lot of the knowledgeable videos available in the youtube. So lot of the things you can do. But you know that the evil and the badness attract you, because badness is a very slowly and very quietly, very fast acquire you and very attracted you. So this is kind of the things you can't do, like don't waste your valuable time. And you know that when you watch the and when you watch and scroll the reel, then you have a lot of the, it means you are felt it means you are felt a lot of the things like tensions, overthinking. Sometimes your mood is a very off. So this kind of the things, this problem of the mobile addictions, and how can overcome it. So first of all, limit the mobile times, like for to like 1 hours daily I use mobile, and other time I don't use the mobile. So this kind of the things. And due to it means daily watch your screen times, how many screen times now today's are you using the mobile. So lot of the things you can do. And afterward your pronunciation, you know that and english speaking, and as well as you can learn the english speaking in the mobile. This is a good thing that you can speak in english in the through of the mobiles. Lot of the videos available on the youtubes, lot of the skills you can learn in the mobile. So this is a benefit. But disadvantage is this, that only on you time passing in the mobile, and lost your valuable time. So this is a disadvantage. But advantage is this, that you can easily acquire a lot of the knowledge in the youtube, in the instagram, in the lot of the platforms available to get a knowledge. So this kind of the thing you can do. And overcome you can do that, limit your from phone screen, and set a task, and set a go schedule that one time I use the mobile in the day. So this kind of the things you can do. And you know that nowadays the mobile is a very common thing. Like everyone child has a mobile, like who is no matter that his child how many years running out, like 5 years, 10 years. So this is a doesn't matter that nowadays mobile using and mobile availability is a very common thing in nowadays. So this kind of the things, that this mobile is easily you can afford, like very cheap mobile available in the market. So you get like that you escape this addictions. This addictions is a very big, like drugs addiction. So this addiction is a very big, like a pubg, free fires. That I'm also played the free fire game 2 month not 2 years past. But that time I have realized that this game is a totally disturb your mind, and your concentration power, your decision making is a lost. So lot of the things you don't do to this, that a lot of the things you never do. So please try to avoid the mobile and overcome the mobile addictions for students. So thank you for watching, and I'll meet you again next video. Thank you for watching.